Hi guys, this is Rishika here. Once again, I'm back with another DIY hair mask video for you guys. So let's get started. For this hair mask, we'll need eggs, lemon, a bowl and a fork. For this mask, I'm gonna take 2 eggs. You guys can increase or decrease the number of eggs depending on the length of your hair. My hair is short, so 2 eggs are more than enough for them. So let's crack them up. I'm just gonna use the egg whites. Egg whites cleanses your scalp of excess oils, strengthens your hair and promotes hair growth. So trust me guys, this hair mask is gonna do wonders to your locks and it'll help you gradually reverse the hair damage that's being caused by using all the heat equipments and products in your hair. Just be careful while separating the yolk from whites. I know it's a bit messy, but trust me, it's all worth it. Just be a bit patient. Okay, so let's begin to beat the egg whites. We need to beat them till the mixture gets fluffy and we can see froth over it. So in this mixture, I like to add few drops of lemon to it, because as we all know that lemon is quite rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C can do wonders to our hair by adding a lot of shine to our hair and getting rid of dandruff, which is like a major problem. So just be careful and remove the seeds from the mixture if it happens to fall in it. So let's just remove all the seeds from it. And now give it a last beat. Now this is the consistency that we are looking for. And now we need to apply it to our scalp and the locks and keep it for at least half an hour. You can keep it until 60 minutes if you have like really long hair. Try it once in a month for a few months and I'm sure you'll be able to see the difference. Please do tell me about your experience with this mask in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Have a good day and bye-bye for now.